The accused include Lubinga Edward Frederick, Doreen Matovu, Hajin Subuga Abdul and Solomon Kaigia, and these have pleaded not guilty for the offences that they have been accused of. The prosecutor, Harriet Angom, called for the adjournment of the case as the state is finalizing with its investigations.
To them being granted bail or released on bail. However, Your Worship, on the issue of non-cash bail, we object to that. Reason being that in the first place, the offences charged, the accused persons are charged with very serious offences. Even the amounts involved are also colossal. Your Worship would pray that they be given cash bail that can be determined.
The defense lawyers requested for the bail of their clients, according to lawyer Lugambwa John, who presented sureties for Doreen Matovu, and Abu Mayanja, the lawyer to Haj Nsubuga Abdul.
Has bond since March, and none of them has ever absconded to appear. But the same was not either cash or non-cash. So, if court is pleased, we reiterate that we pray for non-cash.
The state attorney listed several conditions which she prayed that should be fulfilled before the accused are granted bail. However, the defense lawyers counter-responded to the conditions set by the state.
Consideration the circumstance or the offence is charged. Your Worship, banks are not closed, so they have an opportunity to pay the money in the banks. Your Worship, we find no justification for a non-cash bail. We therefore pray that the accused persons are given cash bail and their sureties bonded at amounts reasonable enough to make them or to compel them to produce the accused persons in court as.
Grade 1 Magistrate Moses Nabende granted bail to the accused on grounds that sureties are to pay 50 million shillings each non-cash, while the accused, Lubinga Edward Frederick, pays 4 million, Doreen Matovuranga pays 2 million, Hajin Subuga Abdul and Solomon Kaigia are to pay 1.5 million shillings, all of them cash, and failure to comply with the set guidelines will cause them to be remanded till the 4th of August.
So should these accused person to disappear, please be ready, each of you to work of 50 million shillings. In the future, don't say we are not told. Do not also let those people down because they have come to stand free. For accused persons, A1, in light of the charges against him, he shall be posted cash of 4 million to the bank before you can be.
Accused are technical officers in the Ministry of Education and Sports, and it is said that they committed offences in Barara district in Nyamitanga institute structures of 2.28 billion, where they wanted to get 10% from the contractor Synergy Enterprises, though the contractor gave them half of the money, that is 120 million shillings. These had wanted to change the designs to frustrate him, which forced him to run to the State House Anti-Corruption Unit. Nsimbezizinga Ronald is the contractor in Nyamitanga. This story has been compiled by Isa Chigongo for Channel 44 Prime News.